Sure, you could go all in on a massive RV and haul your entire life around with you, but honestly, not everyone needs that much space. For a lot of us, a cozy little bedroom on wheels is more than enough, and that's exactly where today's camper shines. This one is small, clever, and absolutely worth a closer look. Forest River has been cranking out travel trailers, RVs, and campers for years, and one of the standout brands under that umbrella is Ibex. These trailers have built a reputation for looking sharp, being adventure-ready, and not completely nuking your budget in the process. The Ibex lineup includes everything from travel trailers to toy haulers, but the one that really caught my attention is the 10RK, the smallest floor plan in the family. The 10RK is clearly aimed at outdoorsy couples, though families could make it work with a little creativity, like adding a rooftop tent. What I really love is how it borrows inspiration from classic American teardrop campers. It's not a teardrop in the traditional sense, but it definitely follows the same philosophy, especially when it comes to layout. Just like those timeless designs, the galley lives outside at the rear of the trailer, while the interior is reserved for sleeping, storage, and a few comfort features to keep things livable. Before we even get inside, though, it's worth looking at the foundation. The Ibex 10RK sits higher than most trailers in its class, and with all-terrain or mud-terrain tires underneath, it's clearly meant to wander off the pavement without hesitation. There's also a spicier version called Beast Mode. Forest River doesn't spill all the details, but we do know it adds independent suspension, 400 watts of solar, and a 2,000-watt inverter. For something this compact, that's a pretty serious setup and opens the door to some legit off-grid exploring. Speaking of compact, the numbers are impressive. The 2026 Ibex 10RK has a GVWR of just under 3,600 pounds, with around 1,500 pounds available for cargo and options. Add in a 30-gallon freshwater tank, and you've got a camper that can comfortably support a couple for a few days of living off the grid without feeling like you're roughing it too hard. Around back is where the magic happens. Lift the rear hatch and you're greeted by the outdoor galley, teardrop style. There's a countertop with an integrated sink, slide-out drawers for a portable cooktop or utensils, and a large fridge on the right side. Toss in some storage compartments and recessed lighting, and you've got a simple but very usable outdoor kitchen. Inside, things stay minimal, but in a good way. The trifold mattress works as seating during the day and transforms into a bed at night. Along the sides are small tables or shelves. Plus, you'll find air conditioning, system controls, a TV, and somehow, wonderfully, an electric fireplace. No, it's not a wood burner, but falling asleep while faux flames flicker on the wall still sounds pretty amazing. You can enter the 10RK from either side, and that brings us to an interesting detail up front. The forward cargo area includes 2 wardrobe-style compartments, one on each side, with extra space in the middle. The catch is that these storage areas appear to be accessed from the outside only, and exactly how that center section works isn't totally clear yet. Honestly, that's just another reason to go see one in person at a dealership. Another small but important detail is the enclosed and heated underbelly. That means this camper isn't just a fair-weather toy. You can push into cooler seasons and enjoy a wider range of adventures without worrying too much about freezing systems. If it were mine, I'd add a few extras to really round things out, like a grill, an outdoor shower or changing room, and a dining table under the awning. Just picture cooking outside as the sun sets after a long day on the trail. And here's a fun twist. If you keep that rooftop tent mounted, the modular interior lets you load the inside with gear and sleep up top instead. That basically turns the 10RK into a mini toy hauler, and Forest River even offers a kayak rack to help make that idea a reality. As for price, it'll always depend on the dealer and the options you choose. But recent listings show 2026 models hovering around $18,195, with 2025 units dipping as low as about $15,985. Shop around, compare features, and if you've spent time with one of these, definitely share your experience. This little camper has a lot going on for its size, and it might just be the perfect adventure partner for the right couple.